Hi, this is Glenda, and if you are a subscriber to my channel, though based on the analytics, you probably are not, which is fine, but if you were, you would have noticed that most of the soaps that I make usually have decorations or two or more colors. However, the soaps that I will be making today will not have either of those elements. Last year, I signed up for a Christmas craft show. As I was getting ready for the show, I remembered that in the previous Christmas show, a few people had asked or made comments about getting a plain soap, or soaps with no decoration or little decoration, so that they wouldn't feel guilty using them. So, I decided to make some plain soaps with no colorants and no decorations or embeds. I was wondering how well they would do as far as sales go. I know that plain soaps with no colors and sometimes with no fragrance sell very well for a lot of people, especially for those who are into the all natural market. Because I'm not in that market though, I was curious to see how well they would sell for me. For fragrance, I chose two of my favorite ones, Sweater Weather from Be Scented and Moonlight Path from Elements Bath and Body. Overall, I was surprised by how easier and faster it was to make simpler soaps, though I shouldn't have. After mixing the light water solution with the oils and bringing them to emulsion, all I had to do was pour them into the molds. After a few days, I was able to remove them from the mold and cut them into bars, and doing so was fairly easy, especially for the white soap. The one that was in the blue mold did give me a hard time getting it out of it. This was the one scented with Sweater Weather, which discolors to brown even though I had used a vanilla stabilizer. So, vanillin is not the only thing that will make your soap turn brown, as there are other elements that can do that as well. Now you may be curious, what was the final result? Did they sell well or not? And the answer is that they did. However, Moonlight Path did better than Sweater Weather did. And I don't know if it has to do with the fragrance itself or just the color of the soap was not appealing. I'm not sure. But I do plan to make more of this in the future because it does give me a break from making complicated soap designs. And I will leave you with a few pictures of how they look on my setup table. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.